kindly repeat after me while raising your right hand. I state your name.
I, Ian Ryan Alvarez,
Do solemnly swear
do solemnly swear
to uphold the duties and responsibilities
to uphold the duties and responsibilities
entrusted to me as an officer
entrusted to me as an officer
of the College of Business Administration Student Government.
of the College of Business Administration, Student Government.
I pledge to serve
I pledge to serve
with integrity, accountability, and dedication,
with integrity, accountability, and dedication,
to lead with purpose,
to lead with purpose,
to listen with compassion,
to listen with compassion,
and to act in the best interest
and to act in the best interest
of every Jaguar I represent.
of every Jaguar I represent.
I will uphold the Constitution of the student government,
I will uphold the Constitution,
respect the rights of my fellow students,
respect the rights of my fellow students,
and work towards a more inclusive, empowered,
and work towards a more inclusive, empowered,
and united CBA community.
and united CPA community.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Thank you so much.
Okay, 4 kids.
Thank you very much. You may now take your seat, and I hope, and I'm very sure naman that everyone else checking your Victoriaga and our incoming treasurer, Miss Leia Ryan L. Arafia.
Guys, ano feeling na may ipipin? Sama ko na lang sa
Ayaw niya makapag-picture.
Parang magkamukha rin.
Mag-ina talaga.
Now, let us hear the introduction of Miss Leia.
Yes!
President, may I call in front our outgoing officer, Ms. Zarina Beatriz Estempilo, with the incoming president, Ms. Franz Shakira Villarreal.
Kita ba? Parang naka-off shoulder, oh. Kita sila.
Hi, good afternoon everybody. I am Fran Shakira Victoriaga, an incoming third-year management accounting student. To be very honest, I am very nervous for the upcoming academic year. There will be changes, a new set of officers, a new set of committees, and a stricter processing rules. But with the trust and confidence that my current co-officers have shown me, I won't take that nervousness in the drive to lead, to serve, and to help us become even better. Press on. You've set the bar high. Your dedication, brilliant ideas, and the love that you poured into the CBA community, it is immeasurable.
Ito na.
I will carry with me all the lessons that you've left us, and I hope to honor your legacy in the way that I will.
Ito na yung tissue namin ni Cedric.
Let's make this academic year a memorable one for the Lyceum studentry and the CPA community. May we build a student government that feels like home to our committees, one that's approachable, present, and grounded in service. Let's be a family that look after each other. And to all our committee members that we have here today, I hope to see your names again in the next committee meeting.
Yes.
We've got another year to grow, serve, and make it count. So let's do it together. This is Frank Shakira D. Cariaga, your President of CBA Student Government, Academic Year 2025-2026. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Ms. Shakira.
Accept the official documents of the College of Business Administration Student Government. We acknowledge the hard work and dedication of the previous administration, and we thank you for the smooth and transparent turnover. These documents reflect not just the past efforts, but also the trust and responsibility now passed on to us. As we accept them, we also commit to uphold the values of service, integrity, and excellence. We will do our best to continue what has been started and to serve the CBA community with heart and purpose. This is just the beginning of a new chapter. With unity, passion, and clear vision, we move forward, ready to serve. Maraming salamat at mabuhay ang CBA Jackers.
Thank you very much, Ms. Shakira. Now may we request all outgoing and in
Deal or no
Kala
deal?
mo talaga, ano,
50,000.
One,
Smile.
one last.
Kahit may luha.
later is now. So thank you very much, officers. Let's give them a big hand.
To Shaq, ang designated driver since 2023. Thank you for being such a great friend / bully during both our times as committees and officers. I'm so proud to have served 2 years alongside the upcoming CBA SG President. Thank you. At sana mapatawad man ako sa nagawa ko, alam ng officers ko. To Heather, ang aming hopeless romantic.
Thank you sa trabaho. Ayan, thank you so much. Tapos kay Shaq, syempre. Ay, Shaq. Alam ko naman ikaw ang president of president. Start din tayo sa license ko. Kaya alam mo naman na yan. Siya talaga, ewan ko ba, dakilang driver talaga siya. Kahit saan siya magpunta. Dakilang driver ng organization niya. Kasi hindi naman siya nagbubuhat. Ay, nagbubuhat siya.
Excuse me?
Pero siya yung wallet namin.
Yes. Tama.
Siya yung wallet namin. Talagang kapag may bibila, yan, si Money Girl yan.
Money girl.
Thank you din sa pag-push sa akin. Alam ko, tandem. Ay, kahit saan ka magpunta, tandem kami. Kailangan magkatabi kami. Ganun. Parang hindi siya mabubuhay nang wala ko. Ayun. So, pero thank you so much. Grabe. Napaka-agda ka ng impact ko sa buhay ko. Oh my gosh.
Hindi ko ba seryoso?
Ay, seryoso yun. Bakit hindi kasi kayo umiiyak? Hi, Heather.
Now let's have our outgoing
Babasahin ko sa'yo,
treasurer,
mamaya.
Ms. Franz Shakira.
Mahaba yun sa'yo.
Ako na naman, pangatlo ko na dito balik to. But, alam ko na nabobore kayo sa mga long speeches, pero yung kayo ay, excuse me, feeling ko naman hindi kayo nabore doon, pero yung sa akin, pero, I want to take this opportunity na pasalamatan yung mga taong tumulong sa amin, sa buong SG officers, na maitawid ang school year na ito. And, supposedly, dapat may mga motivation, but all year round, it's been all about motivation. Pero, so, this time, sorry, kanina pa kasi kami nag-iiyakan dun sa table. So, of course, first of all, to my family, kahit wala sila here, I want to thank them for all the patience that they've shown me kasi honestly, wala na akong naitutulong sa bahay kasi aalis ako ng madilim, babalik ako sa bahay, madilim na ulit, matutulog na lang ako. Minsan may gagawin pang trabaho. To my partner, Stephen. Sorry, hindi ko na
Dapat may
Thank
ganun
you
ka
for
na
being my constant, even in the most uncertain times. Your belief in me has carried me through more moments that you'll ever know. To my TFC babies, my first ever set of committees, I couldn't be more thankful for each and every one of you. The memories we've made, the lessons we've taught each other, and the growth we've experienced together, they are priceless. I am so proud of all of you, Von, Rai, Austin, Divina, and Cashley na nasa City Hall. Nagbabakasyon na. I may not say it often, but I love you guys. And I hope that you felt that love and support as part of the TFC family. To my co-officers, gagayahin ko sila, isa-isahin ko rin sila. Nikki, your creativity amazes me every single time. It's a gift, one that I believe God gave you so you could touch hearts and inspire lives in your own way. Seth, from preparing lollipops for our campaign materials to now delivering our farewell speeches, you did an amazing job as our last business manager. You carried the role with grace, dedication, and heart, giving it the justice it truly deserved. And if anyone was meant to be the last one, it is you. You are the TFC brother turned co-officer. Pushing you to submit your candidacy that day is a decision I will never regret. In fact, I will always be grateful that I did it. You've always brought light into every room that you've stepped in, like a walking sunshine. Kaya sa'yo na, kasi baby boy na yan. Your presence uplifts, your laugh comforts, and your heart brings so much happiness to the people around you. Heather, our beautiful Hetty, from the endless paperwork, excuse letters, certificates, and SARS, you handled it all with so much grace and composure. And somehow, through all the chaos, you still managed to look effortlessly beautiful.
Yeah.
Well, ano magagawa natin? Favorite ni Lord. Ganyan kaganda. Wishing you nothing but the best, President Heather.
Yeah.
I know without a doubt that the sub-org you'll be leading is in best hands. Sam, our Kikai DIP, from looking for sponsors to closing sponsorship deals, you've carried the weight of external affairs with such commitment. I aspire to be as calm as you, to the point na hindi na namin alam kung galit ka ba. Kasi isa ang tono ng boses niya, napakalambing. Sana all. And more than the sponsors and partnerships, Sam, we are very much grateful for you. Your passion, your heart, and your patience for us. Glenn, our kunat bossing. Di naman siguro ako mamalasin sa mga sasabihin ko. Despite being the usual bunot, mapa-GC man or personal, you never failed to bring laughter and lightness to every moment. You made the work feel less like work, and CBA wouldn't have been the same without your energy. And lastly, to our President SAR, we've seen the pressure, the sacrifices, and the strength it took. And still, you led us with so much heart and dedication. You weren't just our president. You were our guide, our listener, and our silent protector. This term wouldn't have been the same without your leadership. You've left a legacy that's not just seen in accomplishments, but in the lives that you've touched and empowered along the way. And I am very, very blessed that I get to be one of those people you inspired and pushed to be better. Thank you so much, my co-officers, my extended family. It saddens me to think that this might be the last time that all of us will be in the same place. And this year has been nothing but short of amazing because of each and every one of you. And I will forever cherish the family we've built together. I hope that someday, somehow, Our paths cross again, and we find ourselves reunited. Once again, good afternoon, and for the last time, this is Frank Shakira Bicarriaga, the Treasurer of CBA-SG 2024-2025.
Thank you very much, Ms. Pat. Now, moving forward to our outgoing secretary.
Suddenly you feel alright na parang, okay, makakaya ko to kasi may support ni Yuan. And sa isang event na naging co-officer kita sa Talay ng Jaguar, sobrang thankful ako dun sa'yo talaga. Kasi nagkaroon tayo ng meeting doon, tapos may hindi ako magawa, tapos nag-chat ako sa kanang Yuan help kasi. And to shock, napaka-strong ng personality mo, and I really admire that. And as in, bagay sa'yo magiging president, and I know kayang-kaya mo yan kasi your heart, it's very pure. Alam kong strong ka mag-express, pero as in, nanggagaling talaga yan sa place of concern, of love. Kaya, alam kong, ano Tagalog nun? Alam kong very well taken care of ang CBA community under your hands. And nandito na ako. Si Sam, very kikay na naging kaklase ko nung second sem din.
Ang to shock. Akala ko nung una, we would clash. Kasi we have the same attitude, pero mas mahinhin lang siguro ako. Sabi, ikaw did it nagsabi. Pero it worked out well. I saw how passionate you are with your job. I saw how passionate you are as a person and a genuine person you are. So I'm super proud of you. And I am super proud of you to be the next president. To Ate Heather, nung naging magka-group tayo sa people, actually,
pero thankfully naman, kita niyo naman bilang auditor, na-handle naman niya ng sobrang ganda. At saka yung mga eval reports, di ba? Sige, sabihin ko na. Okay na, yung eval reports pala, sobrang galing ni Yuan. Sige na.
Meron pa.
Ay, meron pa ba?
Treasure.
Gusto ko na lang mag-thank you eh. To Shaq. So, ever since na nakilala kita sa SC, I thought intimidating ka. So, para kang baby tiger na may pangit. Ganun yung first impression ko sa'yo since lagi kang nakasimama. Tapos nung knowing you deeply, hindi lang pala ganun. Mayroon ka ding side na pagkabangat. Tapos knowing na tumakbo ka bilang CBA-SG, succeeding sa position ni Zar, I know na magagawa mo ng maganda yung CBA department at saka sa CBA student league. I never doubted you at the first place. Damn! Si Heather naman,
ng mga liquidation report. Thank you kasi super maaasahan ka rin as an OIC sa mga events, kahit assistant ka or head, ginagawa mo talaga yung trabaho mo. Thank you so much sa pagiging reliable. To Shaq, our next president. Actually, president na talaga siya, diba? Pero for formality, the next president of CBA-SG, thank you so much kasi ito, isa pang to be honest, sobrang strong ng personality ni Shaq. As in, nung una kaming nakapag-work, alam niyo yung, hindi ako natawag na ate, nagugulat ako noon. Na parang magtropa lang kami na close. Sabi ko, nasa sense ko, ang strong ng personality ni Shaq. Sa loob-loob ko, paano ako makikisama kay Shaq? Ayoko namang, yun nga, parang si Sam, ayokong mag-clash kami kasi gusto ko makapagtrabaho kami ng maayos. So as time goes by, nakikita ko naman na mabait na tao si Shaq. Kahit strong yung personality niya, mabuti yung puso niya. So gusto niya talaga mag-serve. Kaya nung nakita ko yung potential na mag-president siya, pinush ko talaga na inaasar ko pa lang na uuwi si Pres. Natatuwan for kami, tapos sasabihin ko, ay, ayun na yung next president. Kasi alam kong may potential siya. Kaya thank you kasi pinush mo na successor ko kasi guys. Huwag mo yung isipin bias yung luha ko. Kailang tumulo. So, thank you so much kasi kinuha mo yung challenge. Tinig mo yung challenge na kahit mahirap maging president, desidido ka na mas maging better pa yung pag-serve sa CPA Student 3. To Hedy. And salamat din sa mga tawa, sa mga asar, sa hugs, sa pep talks, and for showing up every single day kahit pagod na kayo. As I close this chapter, I leave with a full heart, grateful, humble, yet proud that the next set of officers
Group hug! Hindi na talaga tayo magsasama. Group hug! Group hug!
Gagi yung Poppy Ice Cream na lokal.
May nagdagdag ang box na kasi. Naman naman yung box. Hey! Saka chicken.
Uling technical ko na talaga. Kaya, congratulations sa pag-graduate. Congratulations kung may trabaho sa akin. Kasi unemployed pa ako.
magliligpit pa sila. Overtime.
Please, pakilinis na po lahat ng kalat para wala na sila masyadong lilinisin kasi overtime na tayo.
Okay na to, guys.
Pakikuha lahat ng kalat, please, tapos itapon sa labas para
Pwede ako dumaan sa likod. Kasi wala si Von.